Now, you mentioned a collaboration with the Forest Service and NASA. We actually had the chance to catch up with Veronica Clausen and Heidi McAllister and talk with them about this partnership. So let's take a look at that conversation. Right now, we are with our good friends Heidi and Veronica, and we're going to learn from them a bit about why NASA and the Forest Service have teamed up to do this Moon Trees project in the first place. What's it all about?
Hi, everyone. My name is Veronica Clausen, and I am an education specialist with NASA's Next Gen STEM here at the Johnson Space Center. I want to thank you all for joining us here on Moon Trees Live. We're so excited to continue astronaut Stuart Roos's legacy and provide this bridge between the Apollo and Artemis generations. Our mission at Next Gen STEM is to create unique opportunities for diverse groups of students, engage those students in authentic learning experiences, and keep those students in STEM. The Moon Tree activity provides one of many meaningful connections that you, the students, can have with NASA, its mission, and its work. Our collaboration with the USDA Forest Service is a special one, and we're beyond excited for these seedlings to grow, just like you, across America for generations to come. So stay tuned.
Hi, everybody. Thanks so much for joining us. We're so happy to have you. I'm Heidi McAllister, Assistant Director for Conservation Education at the United States Forest Service based out of Washington, D.C. And we are really excited to continue our partnership with NASA on the Moon Trees program. This joint STEM education collaboration shows how spaceflight is integral to our future scientific inquiry here on Earth by connecting Earth and space science, natural resources management, and citizen science around a new generation of moon trees. As you'll see today, our agencies each bring a unique and specialized expertise, which enables us to accomplish a project that neither one of us could do on our own. That's one of the great powers of collaboration. It allows all of us to be greater together. But the success of this project relies on collaborations that extend beyond our two organizations to schools and organizations like yours. Stay tuned. You'll learn more about how you can become involved in this great collaboration a little bit later on. We look forward to seeing all the great things to come out of this project soon.
Thank you so much, Heidi. Those are great points. And let's keep our fingers crossed in the hopes that we do get to do a bunch more of these projects between us and keep the education growing. Thanks.